Hello all of my geometry students and welcome back to school. This video is going to go over what you need to be doing to be successful for the rest of the semester. We're going to start with a couple of apps that you need to download. So on your iPad, we're going to need to get a calculator and we're going to need to get a web application. We're getting all the same calculators so that we can all press those same buttons at the same time. If we all have different calculators, the rest of the semester can get very, very confusing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your self-service. It's at the middle right of my screen. So you're going to go to self-service and you're going to download Calc Prime. You need to have Calc Prime downloaded, and since this is in self-service, I know everyone can download it. So you have to download that app. Now the other thing you need to do, and so you're going to go to your app store and you're going to search for something called WebEx. So WebEx is a way that we can meet virtually on our iPads. You can do it through Safari. This is just a lot easier. So you want the one that says Cisco WebEx Meetings. And you'll notice I've downloaded it before, but I wanted to show you how to get there. So you're going to download that. And once we have the same calculator and we have the same meeting platform, we'll all be able to interact together and be able to see and talk to each other. I'm going to go ahead and accept. So what you'll do here is you won't sign in. All you have to do is join a meeting. And the meeting URL will actually be linked into your Schoology. So you should just be able to copy and paste it or just click on it in Schoology. We will meet on a regular basis, and I'll talk to you about that here in just 1 second. Okay, so let's talk about what your what your Schoology looks like now. So you're looking at your instructions for success. So you're already in the video, good job, and we have a summary. We're not going to do Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts has some heavy-duty lag problems, so we're going to use WebEx instead. So that's going to change. And we're going to meet from 1 to 2 on weekdays as needed. I do not expect to see everyone checking in every day. That would be a little chaotic because there's 90 of you who all have access to this same web page. But you will have access to me on a regular basis, and I'll put the link to my WebEx homepage here, so you'll always be able to get to it even if you lose it in some of the other work. Let's look at the rest of what is available to you. This is grayed out right now, but when you see it, it'll be published. I'm doing something new, and what I'm doing is these items are loaded. You may only be able to see one of them at a time, though, because you have to complete them in order. You can't skip around. So, you have to do lesson 1 first. You're going to watch a video, and you're going to copy down all the notes that you see in the video, and you're going to submit either a screenshot or the file to me in this Dropbox. So there's 2 lessons. There's going to be 1 assignment. And I want to make sure that we go over this. When you do the assignment, there's a big or right there. You either do the quizzes, these 2, or the attached assignment, this 1. These together are worth 50 points. The assignment standalone is worth 50 points. No, you cannot do them both for extra credit. You're going to do one or the other. After you have finished both lessons and the assignment, you will take your review quiz. If you don't do well on the first quiz, you get to do quiz B. If you do well on quiz A, then you need to go to the free response questions. And I know there's going to be some unlocking I have to do there, but I'll figure it out hopefully before you get there. This is the first week of material. And you'll notice everything is due by April 6th. That's our first week material. Our second week material will look the same, but it'll be due April 13th. Now, I want to talk about something very specific, and that's how you're going to be graded. Here it is right here. You should have gotten this in an email from the district, but I want to just bring it to your attention again. As of right now, your quarter 3 grades are what stand for the semester, but they are not set in stone. There are 3 outcomes for the rest of the semester. If you do not engage, you do not sign in, you do not submit your lessons, you never ask questions, you never make contact with me, your grade can be lowered. If you sign in and you complete both of the lessons and the assignment every week, you will keep your grade. You'll notice that I'm not saying anything about the quizzes or the free response questions. The quizzes and the free response questions will move your grade up. Now, just like Khan Academy, just doing the multiple choice won't get you anywhere. You have to get a 70% or higher on the multiple choice, and you have to be satisfactory on the free response. The reason I say satisfactory is we're going to grade the free response on a rubric, not on points. So let's review. If you have a C right now, and you log in every week, and you watch the lessons, and you submit your notes, and you do your assignments, you will keep your grade that you currently have in Schoology. If you do all that and complete the quiz and free response question at 70% or higher, your grade will move up. If you do not engage, if you check in once the first week and then I don't see any submissions from you, number 1, you're going to start getting phone calls, lots and lots of phone calls. And number 2, your grade can go down. We don't want that to happen, and there's no good reason for your grade to go down. So you just need to be signing in and doing what is required for maintaining your grade. I want to go over that one more time. What do you need to do to maintain your grade? You need to do these first 3 pieces to maintain your grade. There is no grade requirement for the assignment. It just has to be attempted. This is how you maintain your grade. This is how you improve your grade. You will be able to meet with me every day, every school day now, not weekends, and not through Google Hangouts, but through WebEx. If you forgot how to do WebEx, go to the beginning of the video where I showed you where it is in your App Store. I know you're going to have questions and concerns. Please email me any questions or concerns. Here's my email right up here. There is a Megan Meyer and a Megan Myers. Megan Myers cannot help you. She doesn't work at our school and she doesn't teach math. So you need to make really, really sure when you're sending emails, you are sending them to me. Worst case scenario, you do have my phone number and you can text me. Make sure you identify yourself, and then I'll be calling you back to help walk you through whatever issues you need. We're not going to do that every day. That's only for emergencies. Please use my email as my primary point of contact. I am looking forward to seeing your work submitted real soon, and I hope you're having a really good end of your spring break.